I just love nature, especially nature cats. Yeah, that one's cute, but I'm more talking about Nature Cat on PBS Kids.
Tally-ho! Tally-ho! We're climbing out the trees now. We're swinging through the breeze now. We're getting muddy knees now. Nature Cat! Nature Cat, Nature Cat. Nature Cat, Nature Cat, Nature Cat.
Man, what a cat. You can catch him on Florence PBS.